Hello students, welcome to ACP class for class 7. Today's session is session number 4, that is expanding myself. Okay, expanding myself means to make something bigger or wider. Like you are studying to expand your minds to know more about the world. So students, you can expand yourself by, I'll show you some exploring activities. Before that, let me tell you one thing. You all can expand yourself by do something that scares you. That's how you can challenge yourself. You can expand yourself by reading more and more books. Gather knowledge from different kinds of books. Reading more and more books means different types of books. You can gather more and more knowledge. You can, if you want to, I'm telling you to gather more and more knowledge by reading different types of books rather than going to the coaching centers. You can expand yourself by taking time to develop new skills. You all have variety of possibilities. You can develop different type of skills and you can share your skills with others. You can expand yourself by spend some time in conversation with others. It may be a stranger, it may be your friend. And if you once you start conversation with others, you will get inspiration from them. You can expand yourself by picking up a new hobby. Hobby means it may be painting, it may be cooking, something like that. It may be reading books, it may be anything. Right? So today's session is about expanding myself. I'll show you some exploring activities. You'll understand the meaning of how to expand yourself. Now here this icon is showing a person is standing there and stretching both his arms. That means not only knowing about yourself, if you know about others, gathering knowledge from gathering some knowledge from outside, from the book or by watching TV or from anywhere, that means you are expanding yourself. Right? Now, how do people expand themselves? How do you expand yourselves? See here. I can expand myself by expanding who am I. Now here, meet Ankit. This is the picture of an Ankit, right? Now, Ankit doesn't think about anything beyond his school and play. Now, the question is, how will Ankit answer the question, who am I? What will Ankit say? Ankit will say, I am a student. Ankit sees himself as just a student. So, he doesn't think about anything beyond his school and play. Now, another boy is there who is Amit. Amit does not think only about studies and play, but also about different things happening around him in his colony, such as their water shortage. Now, how will Amit answer the question, who am I? Now, Amit is saying, I am not only a student, but also a resident of this colony. So, Amit sees himself as more than just a student. He also sees himself as a resident of his colony. Thus, he is concerned about the water shortage in his colony. Another one is there who is Amar. Now meet Amar. Amar thinks not only about his studies, play and his colony, he also thinks about what is happening in the country. Here, how will Amar answer the question, who am I? Now here, out of these three, Amar is answering, I am more than just a student or colony resident. I am first and foremost a citizen of India. Here, Amar identifies himself as a citizen of India, thus he thinks about what is happening in the country. Now, I can expand myself by expanding who I am. Here in the first case you have seen Ankit saying, I am a student. Amit, I am not only a student but also a resident of this colony. And Amar, I am more than just a student or colony resident. I am first and foremost a citizen of India. Now, out of these three, who has expanded himself the most? Obviously, Amar has expanded because he is taking himself as a citizen of India. So, thus, I too can awaken my possibility of expanding myself by expanding who am I. Now, another exploration activity is I can expand myself by expanding what I do or the purpose of my work. Now, meet Rachel. Rachel takes up only those jobs where she can make more money and advance in her career. So, how will Rachel answer the question, what is the purpose of my work? Yes, students? The purpose of her work is to make more money. Now, Rachel is saying, I want to earn my living. Rachel sees her work only as a means to earn money and grows in her career. She is focused only on benefiting her career. Another woman is there who is Shilpa. Shilpa wants to help people remain healthy. She goes to great lengths to take care of her patients and find the right cure for them. Now here, how did Shilpa answer the question, what is the purpose of my work? Shilpa sees her work as a means to serve her patients and help them remain healthy. She is interested in the welfare of not only herself but also of her patients. Thus, she goes to great lengths to take care of them and find the right cure for them. Now meet Rajan. Rajan not only serves his patients but also thinks about what can be done to solve the nation's healthcare problems. Here, how will Rajan answer the question, what is the purpose of my work? Here Rajan is answering, I want to see my profession to serve the country. Rajan goes beyond just himself as his patients. He sees his work as a means to serve the nation. So here, out of these three, the first one was I want to earn my living. Second, I want to help people remain healthy. And third one, I want to use my profession to serve the country. Out of these three, who has expanded himself or herself the most? Obviously, Rajan. So, I too can awaken my possibility of expanding myself by expanding what I do and the purpose of my work. Now, this is the third activity. Meet Arjun. Arjun is here sitting with so many people. Arjun acts for the good of his family and friends. But he doesn't care if others lose something because of that. How will Arjun answer the question, who are your own? So what Arjun is replying, my friends and family are my own. So Arjun includes only his friends and family among those he considers his own. Thus, he acts for their good but doesn't care if others lose something because of that. Meet Sneha. Sneha not only cares about her family and friends but also about the problems faced by her locality people and wants to do something about it. Right? Now, how will Sneha answer the question, who are your own? So, according to Sneha, her entire locality people amongst those she considers her own. Thus, she cares for them and their problems just as she cares for her own family and friends. This is a picture of Mahatma Gandhi. Meet the father of our nation. Mahatma Gandhi took responsibility for the entire nation's problem and worried about them as his own. How would Mahatma Gandhi have answered the question, who are your own? Mahatma Gandhi expanded his herd to include the entire nation and the people of his own. Thus, he worried about the nation's problem as his own. Now, out of these three persons which you have seen, who has expanded himself or herself the most? Obviously, Mahatma Gandhi. Right? So I too can awaken my possibility of expanding myself. First, by expanding who am I. Then by expanding what I do and the purpose of my work. Third one is by expanding who are my own. That's all for today's class. Thank you so much, students.